All right. Online team, can you hear me? So let me share my screen. I need one response from anybody. Is my voice is clear? Yeah, cool. Thank you. Thank you for responding. Let me create running notes for today. Still we are running with feature engineering part number 1, and we may close that one today, and 2 also we are going to continue, and date is 28 77. Okay. Yeah. Good evening, boss. Maybe we have started already. These are all discussion. Label encoder we done, and min-max scaler, transforming the feature, and handling outlier we also we done. Imputing missing value. This one is a running topic for us. Am I right? Are you ready? Good. Let's move on. Imputing missing value. Daniel, what is this one? Now, uh, you should know the flow. The first flow you should know. So Daniel, there is a data. Then that data we need to convert into data frame. We need to convert into, yeah, good. So we always in a data frame. Then from the data frame, we need to apply feature engineering. From the feature engineering, we'll get an array. From array, we need to apply what exactly? Machine learning algorithm. This is the actual flow. Now, we are here. Now, sometimes the data frame having missing value. Having what exactly? Missing value. Have missing value. Okay. Then these missing values we need to handle. Ultimately, if the data frame is having missing value, if you're directly providing, Daniel, you're not handling this one. So imagine it is having missing value. Directly you are providing to the feature engineering. You applied some operation. You didn't handle. You are giving array. Machine learning algorithm will do bad prediction actually. It will do the wrong prediction. What prediction? Here it won't impact. If you're not handling also, that is okay. But where it can affect, sir, during ML algorithm, it will affect actually. Can I get a response? Now, next point will be, now here what we need to do, we need to handle in such a way that we need to handle. If you handle this missing value, then apply feature engineering, then you can apply array actually converting into array, then finally from array to what exactly? Now here you will get a good prediction. You will get what exactly? Get ready. I will continue. Yeah. This is called as a imputing missing value. This is called as a imputing missing value. We done these are all. There is a two types: numerical missing value, categorical missing value. Missing numeric values we can impute with what exactly? Different strategy. Yeah, good. So mean strategy, median, most frequent. Next one is a constant actual. Make sure that maybe today we are going to close this feature engineering. We'll see. Sir, we'll do one thing. I'm creating a data frame. The data frame having 3 columns: marks, gender, result. There is a first column name is a marks. I'm taking here missing value. I'm taking here missing values. Let me take here. Now let us apply here. Yeah. Then let me create a data frame. Let me create the data frame. What happened? Oh, sorry. Capital N, yeah, good. Capital N also is there, ma'am. Both works actually. Both works. Let me run this. You will get an idea. Successfully, we have created a data frame. One minute. Somebody is asking question. Siddiq sir, if R equals to 0.2, should we go for prediction? Sir, very less relationship, sir. If R equals to, if I say the threshold value will be 0.5. If it is greater than 0.5, go for actually. If it is less than, this value is almost near to the 0. No, hold. Yeah. So ensure that now we are planning to applying, how to handle this missing value I'm going to apply. Yesterday I already explained actually. The point will be we can impute the missing value by using a class. Class name is a simple imputer. What is the class name? Simple imputer actually. Okay, we are importing the class. Then create an object as usual. We already know this. This is the way we are creating an object. While creating an object, you have to follow the syntax. The whole line belongs to object creation. The whole line belongs to what exactly? Object creation. Imputer equals to simple imputer. Missing underscore values equals to np.nan. Status equals to, what do you mean by that mean, calculate the mean automatically. With the mean value, I wanted to include the value. With the mean value, where are all missing values would you have? I just wanted to fill up automatically actually. Here is the story. Now you guys are thinking like, now here, imputer dot fit underscore transform method we need to call actually. Imputer dot what exactly? Fit underscore transform method we need to call. Yeah, this method we need to call. But here is the story. So we are trying to handling mocks column. What column, sir? Mocks column. Good. But imputer fit underscore transform, here is the story. Here we need one parameter. Here we need what exactly? One parameter. Now that parameter should be, first of all, single column array data. What data? Single column array data only. But in our hand, we have a data frame. In our hand, we have what exactly? Data frame. Inside that data frame, mocks column would we have? Then we may get a series data. That series data we need to convert into what exactly? Single column data frame. There are many ways would we have. Let me tell you, today is the best way actually. Sir, it should be only NAN. It should be only NAN actually, right? I'm sorry, little pandas practice revision required actually. Now, so here I wanted to tell, get ready, result equals to what I'm planning, if you want to, we'll do one thing, print off. Let's get the data frame. I'm sorry, let's get the data frame. From the data frame, let us just try to access mocks column. Mocks column you're accessing. The best way will be, come on. Ayo, why it is taking long time? You do one thing. Whenever you're accessing like this, we'll get a series boss. What exactly? Now convert into data frame, single column data frame. Convert into, yeah, okay. This is the single column data frame yesterday I told. Yes. Over the single column data frame, if you apply dot values actually, quite interesting. we will get single column array. We'll get what exactly? Yeah, single column array. Very good. So fit underscore transform method need this column only. Fit underscore transform method need this format of the data. What is the tomorrow special? Idli vada dosa, not that one, right? Exam. What is the syllabus? Did you prepare actually? Or else this night you are planning for preparation? Yeah, good. So please, you have to be up to date actually. What is the first question? Written. Second question? Remaining? My choice actually. You don't tell actually. If you are telling, I will not give that question. Okay. Now you can just have to take this one. Here, yeah, good. You can just have to apply here. The whole result equals to. Now here you need to apply result. Wow. Now, sir, left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, you are adding a column. Sorry man, you are adding a column. Or else old column values we are replacing with what exactly? New column. Wow. It's applied actually. It's what exactly man? Applied. Where are all missing values would we have? It is applied with mean strategy. What strategy? We are good to go. Take this example. Mean. I will ask one question, madam. Listen, tell me the answer actually. Why this format? ఈ format ఎందుకు? చెప్పండి. Good. Simple. This method will accept this type of data only. This method will accept single column array only. That's why the existing column we are converting into single column array. If you are giving any other thing, you will get error, sir. It will not accept actually. It will not what exactly? Best example, in my schooling, during Saturday, we have to wear white dress. Otherwise, school, they will not allow actually. Are you with me? Same thing like that, here this method is, it will not accept any other data. To convert like this, we have a many other ways. In our document, you can find like this, dot values, reshape, -1, 1. Still, it is the same actually. But I would like to say this one is the best approach, man. This one is a, can I get a response? Go. Now, if you really understand this example, next example will be you talk with me. What is the difference? You talk with me. The difference into Japan nako. That's it. Previously here it is mean. Now here it is median. What is important interview question, important interview question. Today there are some interviews nearby some Manjiro block. Maybe here only some Manjiro block. There are some interview. One of two students got selected from Naresh IT. Almost some 5 to 6 members, so total syllabus they done. They went actually. Maybe one day I will invite them. So during interview, how is the process? Start giving slowly by slowly. Start giving interviews actually. Start applying. A fresher, lot of jobs would have actually. Maybe yesterday I told, right? I have some friends in Infosys, especially HR department. I got information like, in future, maybe in the further few days actually, Infosys is going to recruit a, data scientist especially. Ensure that make a note. There is a good drives are going to happen. Please be up to date actually. You are learning the course at the same time. Jump into the Naukri. You can just have to upload. Daniel, how to apply jobs? So simple. The first one will be, you can go for Naukri website. You can upload your website, website actually, upload your resume. The next one will be, the best approach will be, tell me one company name, TCS. TCS, open the TCS, go to the Google, TCS careers you need to click actually. You can just try to click on, you can just try to search for TCS careers. Then automatically it will give one link actually. You have to open that link and you have to register with your mail ID. If you are sending resume to careers, any company, Infosys careers, TCS careers, Tech Mahindra, Wipro career, you are directly sending resume to their HRs. You are directly sending resumes to their HRs. One more website also I do have, aijobs.com. That one also good website. Start giving interviews slowly by slowly. First interview you cannot get a job, sir. You can gain experience. Today one madam got selected. Madam name is Tulasi. She given 6 interviews. In 6th interview she got a selected actually. Such a brilliant. She will give left and right actually. You give one topic, she will explain, like anything. Such a brilliant actually, madam. What I'm talking? Yeah, AI jobs. Not, it's not .com, it's just .net actually. aijobs.net. Okay, cool. So back to the session. Daniel, what is important interview question? The important interview question would be, look at my screen. Now, here, what you are providing? Daniel, I like Naresh Shetty. Can I provide here Naresh Shetty actually? Yeah, good. Let me tell you. Even I like Naresh Shetty. But let me provide. The strategy should be only 4 values you need to apply. How many value? You should not apply any extra other value. If you are applying any extra other value, you will get an error. Invalid parameter error actual. చూడండి. What error? Invalid parameter error. What error? That it is telling, hey Daniel, the strategy should be, strategy parameter of must be, it can be mean, it can be constant, median, most frequent, but not narrative. But not what exactly? So it is accepting only 4 parameters. Apart from this, if you are giving any other thing, it is giving left and right actual. It is throwing error. It is throwing, we should not provide that. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? నైస్. న్యూ ఎర్రర్. వాట్ ఎర్రర్? ఇన్వాలిడ్. చాలా రోజులైంది కదా మనకి ఎర్రర్ వచ్చి. ఇన్వాలిడ్ పారామీటర్ ఎర్రర్. ఓన్లీ దిస్ scenario you will get that error. అయ్యో, where is the errors list? డిలీట్ చేశానా? Here we do have. Can we read actually? Since a long time, right? ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. Syntax error. గుడ్. గట్టిగా చదవాలి. జ్వరం వచ్చినట్టు చదువుతున్నారు మీరు. గుడ్. Otherwise, you will get an error. Error name should be next one. Let me apply median. Let me apply what exactly? Median. How to calculate the median? Any idea? Very good. First we need to sort, then next one will be middle value. That's it. It will do automatically. It will do automatically. Great, man. So see, here we would have a missing value here. So it handle with the, so median data. What data? It takes care. Automatically it takes care actually. Good. So that's what. One example is important. If you really understand the first example, simple. The remaining examples will be very simple. Please wake up. Strategy, median. Sir, my favorite syntax. What is that? Yeah, good. What is the first strategy? Mean. Next one, median. What is the next one? Yeah, good. Easy example. The next one will be most frequent. I mean to say mode value. What value? Mode value. The value which frequently occurred actually. You can just try to come here. Here you can apply. Look at my screen. Good. It is working. It is working. Now what is the next one? Constant value. What is the next one? Sir, if anyone is missing the session, let me tell you. Daniel, currently what you are explaining, can you give a small revision? Yesterday you already explained. The point will be, I have a data frame. I have what exactly? Data frame. Data frame having mainly here numeric column, categorical column. It is having numerical data, having categorical data. Anyway, these two columns you can ignore as of now. This we can talk later. Let us focus on this column. Column name is a mocks actually. Having some missing value, having some missing values. Where are all here and here actually. Now I just wanted to handle that missing value. To handle that missing value in feature engineering, would have a different strategies we can apply. But still by using pandas also you can apply. But let me tell you, feature engineering is the best actually. You are using scikit-learn library. What library? Scikit-learn library. Most efficient actually. Now to fill this missing value, we'd have a 4 strategies. Madam, how many? The first one, mean. Next one, median. Next one, most frequent. Same example, intentionally I have taken. I'm just trying to fill in with the different strategy. Please make a note on this one. But here is one small twist. Daniel, here there is one class name is a simple imputer. We need to create an object. Sir, by using that object, we need to call a method name is a fit underscore. But here is the point. Fit underscore transform can digest single column array data. What data? Single column array data only. Then what we need to do? Where exactly that missing values would have, take that column, convert that one into single column array. Convert that one into no option. Man inka option em ledhu actually. We have to do in such a way that meer ala cheyali. Then just now I have applied mean. The next one. Then I have applied mean. I have applied median. I have applied most frequent. What is the next one? Constant. Whenever you are saying the constant, you have to tell that constant value. Constant. Ensure that make a note constant actually. Somebody is asking. Siddiq sir, can't we fit underscore transform accept 2D array actually? Sir, once I need to look into that. So I'm not sure, but according to that, so documentation, it fits only for, it is a 2D array only, but single column. It is a 2-dimensional only. But when I say single column, 2-dimensional only. Did you notice that? 2 square brackets actually. Now here it is what exactly, sir? Constant value. Whenever you are saying about the constant, do you think it is a keyword? Chappan sir. Do you think it is a keyword? Just to strategy equals to within the string we need to provide. That is a string value. What value? String value. Then though you are telling constant, here you need to tell, okay, tell me that constant value. Fill underscore value. Wow, what a great man. Who are all missing? School is giving how many marks actually? Wait, 80 marks. Great actually. Blessed, right? Corona time lade kada jarigindi. Sorry for kidding. Man, everywhere keyword augment, sir. Keyword augment, keyword augment, keyword augment actually. Go to get ready. You can easy to understand. Yeah, you guys understand. Next examples. That's it. Feature engineering part number 1. Part number 2 we do have. Part number 2 we do have. Sir, minimum 3 entry questions from this material. Small topic only. Minimum 3 entry questions actually. Please be focused. You will get an idea. చెప్పండి. Outliers. Did you miss yesterday's session? Then we covered, sir. Do one small revision in our material. Okay. So if you look at the material, am I right? Yeah, it's okay. Great. Then let's move on. Sir, this topic completely belongs to, let me show you how to handle categorical data. How to handle categorical data. Kind of some string data would have actually. Okay. First of all, let me give a small idea. Let's see. Categorical data, or categorical data are variables that contains label values rather than what exactly. So simple, it kind of some string data. Types of categorical data. The first one will be the nominal, next one will be ordinal. What do you mean by nominal? No order. The nominal, first word itself is the no. Nominal, no order actually. The next one is what exactly? Ordinal. There is an order. Some logical ordering you can keep process actually. When it comes to nominal data, Daniel here itself will be, I'm wondering, only in mind, I have one question. I don't know why, because I'm not a student, I joined like you, but I have one question. Out of curiosity, I'm asking. Every 5 to 10 minutes, I'm seeing here and there, someone is joining, someone is leaving, someone is joining, someone is leaving. What is going on? Maybe some network issue or what? I'm observing here, just now someone joined actually, but in another 5 minutes, someone is leaving the session. What is going on? Maybe, can somebody help me? Due to you're having network issue from your end actually? Due to network problem today, sir. I have some internet issue. Okay. I'm Shravan Kumar, very good. Fine. Good, good. Thank you. Yeah. So the variable which are having no order, so those values are called as a nominal variable. Kind of some pet animals, cat and dog. Can we keep some order? No. We cannot tell which one is so which one is the first and which one is the second. Even if you are using alphabetical order, there is no use actually. దానివల్ల మనకు అంత ఉపయోగం ఏమీ లేదు. Color variables, blue, green, red. No need to keep in order actually. Ordinal data, yeah, the variables which are having order, those variables are called as a ordinal variable. Score variables like low, median, high, like a 10th class, intermediate, BSc. The next one will be post graduation. In real time, let me tell you, in real time, mostly would have a nominal data. Okay, mostly would have a nominal data. Ensure that, make a note actually, nominal data. So please understand the below scenarios very clearly. Yeah. To handle categorical data, yesterday someone asked, what about ordinal encoding? So one hot encoding. Come on, sir, look at my screen. I told yesterday, please be patient, see actual. Today is the topic. There are three ways to convert from categorical variables into what exactly? Numerical variables. The first one is called as a ordinal encoding. What is the first one? Ordinal encoding. The next one, one hot encoding. The next one, dummy variable encoding. What is the first one, sir? Ordinal, one hot encoding, dummy variable encoding. Damn sure interview question. Minimum you may face 2 to 3 questions here actually. Get ready to understand. Daniel, what do you mean by ordinal encoding? First of all, we are going to get a nominal data. What data? Nominal data. Now we are taking that nominal data. We are forcefully converting into ordinal data. We are forcefully converting into ordinal data. I will tell you how to convert actually. First of all, no order. We are bringing order. We are bringing into order actually. Yeah. That is called as a ordinal encoding. In ordinal encoding, every nominal value is assigned with one integer value. So every nominal value, it is assigning with what exactly? One integer value. Okay. So blue, green, red. Blue, what exactly? Green, red actually. So let me just try to apply here. What exactly happened? Let me create an array. Daniel, how you are giving? According to the alphabetical order, sir. According to alphabetical order. I will tell you. Previously also we worked in the same example. I'm sure I can hear from you actually. Any idea what is this? I know that is ordinal encoder. What is that? Class actually. Good. Now let me just try to tell. First of all, create an array, Daniel actually. To create an array, till now previously we have used a function. Function name is a array function. What function? You can use one more function. That function name will be as array. What is the function? As array function you can use actually. You can just have to come here. A equals to nested list we are giving. We are keeping here A actually. Print of data. Print of what exactly? Data actually. Nice. Daniel, I have an array. Good. Nominal data. What data? Nominal data. Now I just wanted to convert into, ordinal data. Then here you need to import a class. Class name is a ordinal encoder. You need to create an object for that class actually. By using that object name, you need to call a method. Method name is a fit underscore transform. Almost this method is coming every time actually. What is the method name, sir? Fit underscore transform. Then here you need to pass that array. Here you need to pass what exactly? That array. Now let us look into that. Great going. Now look at the result. Yeah, make a note on this one. According to the alphabetical order, which letter is the first one? B. That's what by default it is coming like a 0. Floating values we will get actually. What is the next letter? Green. 1. The next one? Red. 2 actually. That 2. This method by default it is returning array. It is taking that array, digesting, and it is giving again array actually. It is giving again array actually. That's what you need to be understand. Did you understand or not, sir? Good. Let's take this one. These are all class names you have to remember, sir. That's best idea actually. Let me tell you. Can I ask a question? Do you have any order here? No. But do you have an order here? What is that order? 0, 1, 2. Sir, this scenario, it works for one scenario. But let me tell you, almost other scenarios, it will be fail actually. Why it will fail, Let me tell you one small point. The point will be, if you have given this data to the machine learning algorithm, first of all, machine learning algorithm, what it will, okay. Somebody is asking a question, what is the difference between label encoder actually? Sir, during machine learning I will talk. Piyush garu. Even yesterday also I have explained, like, by using label encoder also we can do the same actually. Yeah, during machine learning I will talk. Here one point, let me tell you. You guys will get an idea. Listen carefully. First of all, there is no order. But what we done is forcefully we brought an order. If you have given this data to the machine learning algorithm always will start doing comparison. Always will start doing what exactly? How it will compare, Okay, 1 we have, right? 1 plus 1. What is the result actually? 2. Talk with me, sir. Then internally it will think like, green plus green, what exactly, sir? Then that is a problem. Do you think really green plus green is red actually? No. But ML will face new problem actually. I will tell you when this scenario will work. But let me tell you, though no order, we brought into order, then comparison. By default, we can do comparison. Now this is one level of comparison. What is the next level? 0 value less than 1. 1 less than 2. What is a 0? Blue. Blue less than, internally it will compare. Green. Green less than. Do you think really? No. This is invalid actually. But this one is what exactly? Valid. That's what you need to be understand. Right. To overcome this problem, we got another topic. That another topic name is called as a one-hot encoding technique. What technique? Like all are zeros and ones. Like a binary value. What value? If binary value, no comparison. System can understand very quickly actually. These are all decimal value. These are all decimal value. Let me show you. Did I added this code actually? I have added, right? Yeah. Problem with ordinal encoding. If you have applied ordinal encoding on nominal data, then it will be order and having relationship between actually. But actually there is no relationship. Actually, no relationship. But we are getting relationship actually. Machine learning algorithm understand like, there is an order. It will start comparison. It will start comparison actually. It will start comparing. So it causes problem, like a machine learning algorithm will produce poor performance. To solve this problem, we got another technique. That technique name is called as a one-hot encoding. What is that? One-hot encoding. What is the first topic actually? Ordinal encoder. Cheppandi. What is the second one? One-hot encoding. There is a small limitation in first topic. To overcome that limitation, next topic came actually. Next topic came. Okay. Daniel, can you tell me the next topic? Quite interesting, man. Chala interesting ఉంటుంది చూడండి. One hot encoding. So for nominal value, integer encoding may not be enough and even it is misleading the model. Machine learning algorithm. Here one code encoding came into the picture. It is a technique where each of the nominal variable will be represented with what exactly? Binary value. What value? Binary value actually. Get ready. Let me tell you. Get ready actually. I will do one thing. So I will take some data. There is a one column name is a fruits, otherwise feature. These fruits having apple, pear, apple, pear, apple. Now, though it is a categorical data, I wanted to convert into numerical data. Don't apply ordinal encoding. Apply one hot encoding. What do you mean by one hot encoding? Chudandi. Sir, important. Let us take a fruits. Cheppandi, what all values would you have? The first one, apple. The next one, cheppandi sir, pear. The next one, apple again. The next one, pear. The next one, apple. That's it, right? Okay, good. Sir, if you have given this data, then automatically, according to the alphabetical order, cinema will start actually. According to the alphabetical order, first of all, how many unique values would you have? 2. Then here, in that unique values, what is the first one? Apple. Then next one will be pear. That's it actually. Here is the story. Where are all apple is matching, value is the 1. Where are all not matching? 0. That's it. The next one will be, talk with me, 0. Next one, 1. Next one, apple. Where are all matching? 1. This one should be 0. చెప్పండి సార్. 0 1. The next one, great going. Here is the story. If it is having 10,000 values also, same processor, 10,000 values also. One minute. Yeah, it will be that we are working. No. I'm not answering. I mean, I will answer your question. If it is having 10,000 values also, it will work actually. Yeah, it will create 1 lakh values also. It will create actually. I will tell you. We have that scenario. Coming to your question. Me question చెప్పండి. Yeah, good. 100, 010, 001. Okay, I will tell you. Yeah, tell me. This one is a fruits one, right? Let me take the next scenario. Next scenario. చెప్పండి సార్. చెప్పండి. What is that one? Apple. The next one, mango. The next one, banana actually. Then what happens, sir? Here, according to the alphabetical order, first one will be apple. The next one will be banana. The next one will be mango actually. Mango. Where are all apple is matching? Okay, 1 0 0. The next one 0 0 1. The next one chaptara 0 1 0. That's it. It will create automatically. It will create easy. Quite interesting. చెప్పండి. Yeah, good question. Let me tell you. Here onwards, if you're talking about the apple, it will consider 1 0. That's it actually. Binary value. No comparison. It is not a 10. It is a 1 0. We are representing with the zeros and ones actually. Machine language. If you're talking about the peer, it is representing like a 0 1. ML algorithm will recognize actually. Yeah, exactly. Not byte code. It is called as a machine code. Byte code is different. It is also called as a binary value. Binary value. Okay. Yeah. Byte code is different, sir. What do you mean by byte code? Anyway, that is not required. Where are we? Yeah, let's do that actually. Blue, green, red. 1 0 0. Green, red also. If you want, you can just try to apply this one also. Colors. Color. What color? Something like that. The colors will be blue, green, red. Blue, green, red actually. Now here, according to the alphabetical order, B should be the first. Next one, green. Next one, red. Now, where are all B? Blue and blue matching 1. Blue and grey not matching 0. Blue and red not matching 0. The next one will be 0, 1, 0. The next one will be 0. That's it. Quite interesting. Nothing is there. It is called as a one hot encoding. One hot encoding. You talk with me. What is that? That's it. Class, and you can just try to take this one. Let me just try to print the data, and let me just try to yeah, first of all, array is ready. Let us apply one hot encoding technique. To apply one hot encoding technique, create an object for this. Create an object for this. The object will be encoder equals to one hot encoder, sparse equals to false. We need to provide. During ML, I will talk. What do you mean by sparse actually? Now, with this one, we need to call a method. Method name is a fit underscore transform. Method name is a fit underscore transform. You can kindly please upload here. Now you will get the result, sir. Are you ready? Let us apply one hot. Let us apply what? One hot actually. Oh, then documentation changed actually. Unexpected keyword augment sparse equals to sparse actual. Seriously, it should work, man. Why? Because maybe the documentation changed actually. They might have changed this name. Previously it is working, but we'll do one thing. Let's take this line and you can just have to go to ChatGPT, or else you can go to Google. You can ask getting unexpected keyword augment. Unexpected what exactly? Keyword augment. I need answer from Stack Overflow. Okay, cool. Unexpected keyword augment. Sparse. Exactly. Oh, they're talking about some version changes. I fixed my issue by replacing. Okay, same thing I have given. But దీనికి బదులు మనం ఏం ఇవ్వాలి అంట sparse underscore output. ఇది ఎప్పుడు అప్డేట్ చేశారు? Recently, right? Okay. Recently some documentation changed, sir. But the question will be asked a long back. The answer will be recently. Okay. We'll do one thing. Let us take this keyword augment actually. They're talking about some version, in SQL and older version actually. You can just have to take this one. Great, we are getting. Sir, let me tell you, if you are getting any technical issue, Stack Overflow is the best point of contact. But anyway, can we ask the same question to whom? Very good. Then you are using ChatGPT like anything, I guess, actually. Kada? Good. Fix the issue. The error you are encountering likely because of forgot encoder class scikit-learn does not accept keyword augment actually. Using in new version, small changes happen actually. Use this sparse underscore output instead of sparse. Here is an example. Great, man. Exactly. They're directly telling, if you're running the older version, perfect. Maybe I have executed with the older version. Recently they have changed it actually. That's okay. Accepted. Perfect. I hope you also got the same sparse underscore equals what exactly? False actually. Online team, did you fall? Are you following? మీకు అర్థమైందా? I prefer DeepSeek to ChatGPT. Yeah, sir, but let me tell you what happened with DeepSeek, when it comes to even once I used DeepSeek actually. I used what exactly? DeepSeek. Almost imagine 5 times I'm searching. I'm asking 5 times actually. 5 questions I'm asking. Kind of some 5 questions I'm asking. But almost first time it is responding very quickly, nicely. But remaining second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, it is telling server is down actually. Server is what exactly? Maybe are you facing any issue? Same thing like that. If server is down, that is not my issue actually. Am I right or not, sir? That is, they have deployed in. I need an answer. If server is down, doesn't matter at all actually for me. Then I stopped using DeepSeek actually. It should respond very quickly. Our humanism will be, our nature will be. For cinema ticket, we can be online and 1 hour we can wait, sir. If it is kind of some KGF, maybe one day also we can wait actually. Am I right? But let me tell you, when you are working with kind of some system related work, 1 minute also we cannot wait actually. That's what you need to be understand. Anyway, they should improve. But of course the model is the best model, especially math problems. I observed actually, especially GATE exam, there are some math problems would have actually. Oh my God, DeepSeek is the best rather than ChatGPT actually. It will explain nicely. I played with DeepSeek. It is the best for math problems. Anyway, ChatGPT already proved, they are improving a lot actually. Okay, cool. That is not interview discussion for us. Where are we? So here I need to update our material. Am I right or not, sir? Right. Here, but the same example worked in a previously. That too well-known error. మనకి ఏం ఎర్రర్ వచ్చింది? Type error. Unexpected keyword augment, sir. Yeah, Daniel, kindly please apply for blue, green, red also. Come on, let us apply for this example also. I need your help. నాకు మీ help కావాలి. Why numpy? Yeah, good. Um, to create an array. Let me tell you one small thing. One small thing. In numpy, we already know one function. Function name is a array. To create an array. But not only array, we would have another function. Another function name is a as array. What is that? As array. Don't think like, as is the keyword. I have joined actually. No, 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 no. The function name itself is a as array. What is the function name? Make a note on this. Did you remember as keyword in Python? What is the purpose? Aliasing. Good, you know that. Great going. Now I wanted to apply one hot encoder. Then create an object for this. Here also I need to change, I guess. Kada? What I need to be changed, sir? Sparse underscore outer output. Now here you need to call a method. Method name is a fit underscore transform. Output and oh, 1 minute. Let me cross verify. Yeah, very good. Somewhere I have a memory actually. Now let us just try to pass one hot. Let us just try to pass what exactly? One hot actually. Let me tell you one small thing. Imagine, so today you might be absent, but you need some explanation about this program. What you can do, sir, copy paste this code, go to the chat GPT, and here you can ask, hi, can you please explain this code line by line actually? You can ask like this. Then you can paste your code and it will give nice explanation. Great, man. Importing the libraries, so-and-so libraries are importing, defining the data, and we are creating an array. It is telling the reason, and very good. Initializing one hot encoder. I mean to say you are creating an object actually, and so it is giving explanation why you are giving this one also. You need to spend some time, sir. You need to spend some time, and applying one hot encoding. Very good. Applying actually. I mean to say calling the method. So the fit is what exactly? Method. Fit underscore is the method actually. Fit underscore is the method. Unique kind of the transform method, and both it is working together. All right. That's what you will get actually. Great explanation, man. Printing the result. Printing. Let me tell you, you are living in the era of chat GPT actually. Every piece of word you will get the explanation. That is really great. Really great actually. Really great. Utilize the chat GPT. Ayo sir, you can do miracle actually. You can do lot of examples. Yeah. Talk with me. What is the first one? What is the first one we have covered? First one is the ordinal encoding. The next one, one hot encoding. The next one, dummy variable. Sorry, dummy variable encoding. What is the dummy variable encoding? Oh, first of all, for this, let me just try to execute this example. Simple. Let me tell you. When it comes to dummy variable encoding, how many values would you have? 3. Now blue is representing with 1, 0, 0. Green is representing with 0, 1. Red is representing with 0, 0, 1. Sir, let me do one thing. What is the next topic? Dummy variable encoding technique in the sense. Here is the story. Daniel, do one thing. Understand the unique nature. try to delete this column. Try to what exactly? Delete this column. Okay, we have deleted. What column we have deleted? First column. Now still the nature never be changed. We will get a unique value. Now blue is representing with 0, 0. Okay, accepted actually. Green is representing with 1, 0. Red is representing with, that's it actually. Dummy variable encoding in the sense, create a one-hot encoding. Just for performance wise, instead of reading the 3 columns actually, anyway I can get the uniqueness from 2 columns itself. You can try to drop the first column. You can try to drop. That is called as a dummy variable encoding. I am repeating again. Malli sir observe cheyandi. Sir, what we have applied? We applied one-hot encoding. Then blue is representing with 1, 0, 0 and 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. It should be unique value. 1, 0, 0 is the unique. 0, 1, 0 is the unique. 0, 0, 1 is the unique actually. Now, what you can do, hey Daniel, is it really 3 columns required? Let's drop this one. Let me delete actually. Now, blue is representing 0, 0. Okay, unique value only. ML can understand. ML can understand. Green is representing with 1, 0. The next one, red is representing with, absolutely fine, you can proceed actually. Instead of reading into 3 columns, you can skip 1 column and you can go for 2 columns actually. This is the best way of approach. It is called as a dummy variable encoding technique. What technique, sir? Dummy variable encoding technique. Exactly. I mean to say, drop first column only. Drop first column only. You can just try to come here. Now you need to be understand this. Yeah. We applied these are all dummy variable encoding. Did I copy this example actually? The example in copy chesana? Yeah, let me take this one. The one-hot encoding creates one binary variable for each category. The problem is like it is representing including redundancy. I mean, a lot of duplicate values would you have, like a 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, not required actually. So what we need to do is, when you're talking about the dummy variable encoding, first of all, create a one-hot encoding. Okay. From this, you can try to drop what exactly? First column. Try to drop first column. If you drop the first column from the result of one-hot encoding, then it will be get what exactly? Dummy variable encoding. That too. Dropping the first column also, we have a syntax directly. Yeah, you talk with me. What is the difference in the previous example and this example? What is the difference? Drop equals to, that's it actually. And a sparse also, output actually. Come on. You can just try to come here. Drop equals to, within double quotes, first, and more the next one. Previously, one student asked one question. Can I drop the second? No, sir. According to that syntax, they have given only first actually. Can I drop the second? No. I have to drop only first. Good. That's it actually. Don't go for a second column, third column dropping. According to the real-time scenario, dropping first column would be fine actually. I'm not sure either they are accepting or not. Let me just try to for a second. I'm sure they never accept. We'll see. Drop the second. Error. That too, what error? Invalid parameter error. What error, sir? It is not even accepting actually. Either you have to provide first or else what exactly? If binary. If binary is very rare case, but got second. Wow. Today we got a 2 errors actually. The first one also invalid parameter. I mean to say there are some parameters are fixed. You should not be changed those values. You should not be changed actually. Sir, more than next one. Almost this document I need to update actually, and I will share. Okay, na? I need to update. Why? Because some documentation changes. Here sparse output I need to provide. Anywhere else changes? That's it. Ante kada? Now the last example I'm sure you can do. Imputing missing class value, it is a categorical missing data. What data? When I say categorical missing data, make sure that we are trying to handling gender column. We are trying to handling a kind of some here would have a missing value. Previously we handled this one. Now Daniel, can I handle this one? Actually, you can handle. You can handle. How to handle, you know? Sir, same copy paste code actually. Now I'm sure here what we need to apply actually, most underscore frequent. Where categorical data is missing, you have to, you know, fill those values with most underscore frequent. What exactly? I'm sure this example you can do, I guess. Can I get a response? Yeah. Let's move on. Let's stop for some time. Shall I see? The e-commerce domain, what is missing? Can I use this based on some scenario, sir? Some scenario. Imagine if a person is missing. Imagine, you know, today many students absent actually. I should not fill with most frequent. I have to fill with unknown word actually. Unknown word based on scenario. Product is missing. Product is name is missing. Then you have to go for unknown actually. Unknown word actually. Okay. Now this one where exactly you can use, you know. Let us go for data science course. More male students will come actually. Imagine there is a column, gender column, male, female, male, female, male, female, male, female, male, female. There are some missing data. You can go for most frequent actually. Most frequent males will come actually. Got my point? Yeah. Not always ladies first actually. Okay. Sir, I never expected. We are entering into machine learning, but many students are absent actually. Anyway, I need to respect whoever all came for today. Then let me continue. What is that? There is a one query from online. Charan, can you help us for preparing resume for experienced people like us so that we can prepare accordingly? Oh, is it? This one is an high priority. Generally, after ML, it would be good. Siddiq sir, if you research each and every topic with ChatGPT, we cannot proceed fast because it takes so much time. Yeah, accepted, sir. You're right, actually. Just now I have seen your point. ChatGPT is a bit slow. I will accept, actually. I will accept. Then the next one will be Charan. Let me plan next week, actually. Let me plan next week. So, if you want, meanwhile, can I share few templates, actually? Is it okay for you? Machine learning started. I will start machine learning in the next session. We have some time. I will upload now. I will upload later, sir, in some time. But meanwhile, let me share with you kind of some interview discussion. Interview kit actually. We have a separate material. We have a separate material. Please be on the line. Kindly 1 minute. Back to back, I'm getting a call from one personal call actually. Kindly spare 2 minutes. Please. 1 minute. I'm sorry, online team. So let me show you some interview kit. It will be helpful for you. The first introduction about yourself, fresher, introduction about yourself, experiencer actually. Maybe we don't have a time, but let me explain. Let me walk through very quickly. You will get an idea. Sir, I have prepared material. How to introduce yourself during interview also. It will be helpful for you. This material I have prepared in the year of 2011 when I used to attend interview as a fresher actually. And I prepared. Why? Because it might be helpful for you. That's what I'm sharing. This kind of material no trainer never share. Ensure that try to utilize properly. Suggestion. This is the very important part of interview. So kindly prepare yourself for interviews what exactly effectively. During interview, the first question explain about yourself. You have to explain in such a way that in a nice way how to explain. So let me introduce. First of all, this one is a fresher level. What level? Fresher level. You have to start from here. There are many ways. Still, let me tell you, you can use ChatGPT also to get the different formats, but follow one common format. So, hi, this is Daniel. Will you say this is Daniel actually? No, you have to replace with my name with your name. Good. And currently, I'm staying in SR Nagar. Exactly. In the year of 2011, I stayed in SR Nagar. Amirpet actually. Basically, I'm native of Kaiklor. I'm native of Kaiklor, which is greenery village. So located in the state of what exactly? So simple, you need to tell where you're from. That one is a good practice. That too, you're using some nice keywords actually. I'm native of so-and-so, and my village is a greenery village, and I'm from belongs to so-and-so state, Andhra, basically. Now I would like to explain about my academic details. Now I would like to explain about what exactly my academic details actually. One small point. You no need to be master in English. Let me tell you. In IT, kind of some basic English is okay. Till now, did I use any high technical words actually? No. Generally speaking, that is more than enough. Are you able to communicate with the person or not? That matters actually. Can I tell you out of 100, Daniel, when you're talking about English actually, if you know the 50%, that is okay. 100, not required, sir. 100 out of 100 is what exactly not required. 2 points. Other person, what is saying, you should understand. Next one, you should communicate. Like you should answer. If you are able to do these things properly, proceed actually. Otherwise, you have to practice. Otherwise, you have to, by joining in kind of there are some English training institutes. They will conduct for 10 to 20 days. That would be fine. Or else 30 days, I guess, actually. Okay. Academic details we need to explain. This one is a fresher level. During academic, what we need to tell, these are all details you have to tell. Academic details. I have completed my SSC. Okay. So what are all these are all my, yes, I done SSC, intermediate, degree and post graduation actually. I have done my SSC in the year of, in the native of my school actually. And the name of school, that school name you have to include. And my native is in my native only I have done. In the year of so-and-so, with so-and-so aggregate we need to tell. Here is one small point we have to include actually. What is that point, Sir, when I have completed my SSC exam, I felt so happy. Why? Because that is the first exam I have written with all well competitors. I have written with all what exactly? You can boost yourself actually. Nothing is wrong. You are throwing one small mistake actually. When I done my 10th class, I feel so happy. First time I have this kind of sentence we never ever heard actually. There are some unique sentences we have to use. The other end person, he have to feel, oh, nicely explained actually. He stated nicely, something like that. Only one time, sir, you should not use every time actually. Are you with me or not? Yeah. I have even completed my intermediate. Name of the college you need to tell, and year you need to tell, aggregate you need to tell, if you are a fresher. Same thing like that, graduation. College name, year, percentage level. Post graduation, college name and year, aggregate actually. That's it. Will you tell post graduation? If you done graduation, you have to stop here only. Previously one student, he followed blindly Daniel actually. Sir, please, this one also you have to update with your name. Are you getting or not, sir? Please. Course details. This is really great practice. Though you are a fresher, once you done your graduation means either BA, BCom or BSc or BTech, anything is fine. Once you done your graduation, you have to tell something to them. I didn't sit ideal. I was not ideal. I was not a free. What I done is, you can tell very confidently, I went to Hyderabad and I learned a data science course with so-and-so institute also. Naresh IT institute, they will provide course completion certificate for you. That to Naresh IT is a kind of some brand actually, no doubt in that. It will be recognized. Worldwide recognized, you can't believe. In US, you know, we have students from UK, USA, different actually. Ensure that make a note on this one. I'm happy to explain about my course details. Like recently I have learned data science, what exactly, and I do have a very good hands-on experience. Trainer name not required. If you are interested, you can tell also. Okay. And hands-on experience on where are all? Python, Pandas, machine learning, NumPy, and scikit-learn, and what exactly data science Python related library. Here is one confident statement. This statement no one never deliver actually. Sir, you know, during the course, I have done good practice. I have done what exactly? I hope you done actually. Avuna kada sir? Cheppanడి sir. And you have to tell. And I used to explain the topics with what exactly? Indirectly, this statement literally give confidence to the end user. Oh, we didn't even started about the technical discussion, but he's pulling my leg actually. He's talking about the technical. He's talking about what exactly? You need to tell what course you done actually. That is really great practice. Indirectly, if you are saying Python Pandas, you are indirectly asking, ask questions from Python. Ask questions from Pandas. We are giving the topics to ask actually. Okay. The next one. Family introduction. So when it comes to know introduction, on an average, max to max, 3 minutes. How long time? 3 minutes you have to engage actually. It's not like my name is Daniel. That's it. No. You have to engage. You have to engage that person. You have to deliver something actually. This is I have prepared when I was trying as a fresher. Exactly my career actually. My family introduction. Now let me share a couple of minutes about my family background details. Now let me share a couple of minutes. That is a nice sentence. Couple of minutes actually. I have grown up in a small traditional family. Oh, cool. You are telling him in such a way that, you know, sir, I came from traditional family. Right? And you can tell in such a way that, you know, 4 members, including me, father, mother, and what exactly? Brother. Great. My father is a farmer. This kind of introduction indirectly, if you are explaining this kind of your family introduction, indirectly you are giving an idea. Okay, tomorrow, if you have given an opportunity, he will explain about the company to other guy like this actual. Indirectly, you know, that ideology it will be created. So my father is the farmer and I always proud to say about him actually. Here is a good story. I mean, exactly, this is exactly happened in my career. My father is a farmer those days and I always proud to say about him because he is the best decision maker in my family. In our family generally, who will take the decision, sir? Father. It's a right time. You have to give hype for your father actually. Why? Because frankly speaking, because of father and you know, our parents supports only we are here actually. Am I right or not, sir? That too you are telling, I am feeling proud, you know, about my father. And here you need to give small little explanation. What is that explanation, you know? He is the best decision maker in my family. Why he is the best decision maker, you know, but you have to explain to other person actually. Then how you have to explain, you know? I would like to tell one thing as my family was not in condition to make me as a graduate. Yes, boss. My family, lack of financial. When I done my graduation, I supposed to enter into the post graduation. You know, no money actually those days. Because of lack of financial, but still my father have taken best decision to make me as what exactly? Let it be whatever it happen, you know, so let my son can do the post graduation actually. Sir. Then that's what I would like to say. My father is the best. He is the role model of my career actually. Don't say Chiranjeev is my role model. Are you with me or not? Pawan Kalani. So these are all, of course, you know, you can keep actually, but always our family members are our role model. You have to tell actually. Sir. Okay. Don't bring I'm sorry for saying, don't bring cine actors into the introduction. I used to watch movies. These are all, I'm sorry, you should not use those kind of discussion actually. My mother is a homemaker, and thank you so much for giving this what exactly great opportunity to share my profile with you actually. మీకు అర్థమైంది లేదా sir? Such a cool one. Maybe this one is a fresher level. I can give for experienced also. And all right. So I'm sorry. Tomorrow is exam, right? And I will announce in a Google Classroom what is the timings. I'm planning to merge other batch also. Maybe let me check with admin which room it can fit actually. Based on that, I can plan offline and online. Follow the Google Classroom blindly. Okay, maybe end of the day I can share when exactly at what time actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా? Okay, good. So fine then. So let me upload. We done today's session.
కేటగిరికల్ డేటాలో మిస్సింగ్ వాల్యూస్ మనం న్యూమరికల్ వాల్యుయేషన్ చేసాం సార్. ఇవి అలా కన్వర్ట్ చేసి చేయగలుగుతాం.
ఏవి
నార్మల్ గా ఇప్పుడు స్ట్రాటజీస్ యూస్ చేసి ఫిల్ చేసాం సార్ న్యూమరిక్ వాల్యూస్. అలా కేటగిరికల్ ని జీరోస్ వన్స్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసాం సార్. అలా చేసి అలా ఫిల్ చేయగలదు
అంటే
మోస్ట్ ఫ్రీక్వెంట్ ఫిల్.
one minute. First point, your good question. Your column having the categorical data. So then categorical data ని మనం ఏం చేయాలి? న్యూమరికల్ డేటాలో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు న్యూమరికల్ డేటాలో కన్వర్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు మిస్సింగ్ వాల్యూస్ ఉండకూడదు. Am I right? Exactly. If it is having missing value, then it will be problem again actually. Okay, that's the reason. First of all, fill with some categorical data most frequent, then go for conversion.
But this is same process follow.
Same process, sir. Same process. Those are all steps we need to be follow.
Sir,
yeah, I will do review, sir. I'm running out of the time, but I will do review actually. Yeah.
Sir, మనం లేబుల్ అని కూడా కేటగిరికల్ డేటాని న్యూమరిక్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం.
1 minute. చెప్పండి.
లేబుల్ కూడా వాడి కేటగిరికల్ డేటా న్యూమరిక్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం.
Correct.
We got some values 0 1 2 3.
Correct.
ఆ వాల్యూస్ ని మనం min max స్కేలర్ గా ఇవ్వాలా లేకపోతే min max స్కేలర్ సపరేట్?
Min max scalar is very sir. Label encoder అంటే we have converted categorical data into numerical data. That's it enough actually. Then no need to bring min max scalar. Min max scalar ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది అంటే in the given feature we have a big values. If it is a numerical data, go for min max scalar actually. It is not a numerical data, it is a categorical data.
కన్వర్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ బిగ్ వాల్యూస్ వస్తే కదా ఇందులో కూడా లేబుల్ ఎన్కోడర్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకుంటాం.
We never get actually. Min
max స్కేలర్ and స్టాండర్డ్ స్కేలర్ కి డిఫరెన్స్
during ML I can talk. Okay. We have a few more techniques actually. You will understand. Definitely I need one example to understand actually that point. Okay. Yeah. Sir, NLP, please be on the line. Okay, నిమిషం లైన్ లో ఉండండి. Now itself I will share actually. Online team, thank you. We done for today's session.